In this video, I am going to teach you how to add social media icons in card.co. First thing that you need to do is head over to their website. Go over to card.co, which double R right there, in order to see this screen right here. So you can either log in if you already have an account, or you can choose a starting point, which essentially means that you can sign up while also creating your own website. In this case, I'll head over and choose in here this login option. Now that I've logged in, I can now see in here my sites that I've already published. So if you want to create a new site, you can just click onto this plus new sites right here. But since I already have one, I'll just click onto this pencil icon in order to edit it. Now from in there, this will prepare the canvas. You can see in here my actual design. Now, I want to add social media icons in this. In order to do that, click onto this plus icon that you can see on your upper corner, and you can see in here this icons option. Click on this. Now in here you can choose icons for email. You can also choose other icons that you want right there. We have several icons that we want as well. You can just choose the type right here. And you can choose if it can be document, it can be social media icons. And since you want social media icons, let's head over and then do that. So let's click onto this and expand in here your icons. Then enter in here your URL for your social media accounts. So if you want to remove one, you can just click on one as well. So for example, you do not have an email, you can expand it, then scroll down and click onto this trash icon in order to remove it, just like that. Once you're done, click onto this done option and it will be saved into your website. So that's how you add social media icons in car.co. Hope you helped.